I don't want anything done to me.
Roll up your window! Shit, yeah!
No! I was close. I was close. This is intense.
I can't go no further.
Will it take you by itself?
I'm scared.
What if I...
Was that it? Was that it?
Is that all that?
Is that all that?
Is it yelling at you?
No, so where do you go?
Left.
Turn engine off.
Put it in park.
I guess if you get stuck in here, that's why the emergency.
Except foam. Here comes the foam.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, let me say.
I don't gotta turn engine off.
I just said put it in park.
Dude, I'm real scared. Like, what if we get stuck in here? I think that's what the emergency's for.
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, outside.
I feel like we're moving.
Yeah, it kind of does look like we're moving.
We are! No, we're not, bitch!
It's moving around us. It's an illusion.
Where are we